could tell she is so obsessed with herself. Well done, Kylie. I like it. The one and only thing that Kylie is the most famous for. Hola amigos, today I'm gonna test Kylie Cosmetics. I must be the last person on earth who's never tried anything from Kylie Cosmetics, but that's fine. That's fine. So I got for Christmas this super gorgeous gift from my fiance, and I thought I'll give it a try and see
what's the fuss about this brand.
I've heard about it so much, like we know lip kits, everything, all of that. Yeah, nothing new under the sun. Today I'm just gonna test these 4 products here and let you know my first ever impressions of Kylie Cosmetics. So let's go. Okay, so let's see what do we have in this fancy set. I mean, you could tell by the packaging, but we have an eyeliner, a lip gloss, a cleansing, and the infamous Kylighter. Look at them, they're so pinky. I love the packaging. I mean, yeah, as I said, me seeing Kylie Cosmetics, I mean, owning, touching, wow, wowza, amazing. Anyway, as you can tell, I have on my face the base, so foundation, powder, blush, everything, it's there. Now, I have to go with the eyeliner because my eyes are very bare. I just added a little bit of bronzer, a cream bronzer, which I really like to add lately on my eyes. So let's start up with the first product, the eyeliner. This is Kylie Jenner 009 Shimmery Black Gel Eyeliner. So let's see. Made in USA. Yeah! It's a party in the USA. This reminds me so much of Too Faced, like they have an eyeliner that looks exactly the same. This is what I was talking about. This is the Kylie one and this is Too Faced, literally the same thing. And the Too Faced one is even called
Killer liner, and this is highliner, I think. Like,
how similar. So let's test this bad boy and see how well it applies on my eyes, because I do love eye lines, and if they're not good, then we don't have what to talk about. Okay, I like this stuff. We can work it. It's easy to apply, but I would never ever change a liquid eyeliner for this, because for some sort of reason I always find it very difficult to work with an eyeliner rather than like a liquid eyeliner. So let's just continue doing our lines. Alrighty, this eyeliner went on so smoothly and I really liked how it glided on. Like, my eye lines are so precise. I don't think I've ever did such precise eye lines with a pencil. Like, wow, this Kyliner did it very well. Well done, Kylie. I like it. Now I need some highlighter because I need to shine like a Hollywood star. I mean, not really, but I do need some highlighter. So this is Kylie Highlighter Pressed Illuminating Powder in the shade Cheers Darling. Yeah, I said I really love the packaging. Like, it's so pinky and so girly, and I love the texture here. Like, yay, like it. I'm much more of a big fan of the new packaging than the old one. So I'm happy that I got this one. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty. Oh man, I love all the Kylie here. Like, you could tell she is so obsessed with herself. Yeah, nothing new. Oh my, we have Kylie even on the mirror. Hello. Wow, this is really pigmented. Look at my finger. This is so... wow, I love it. My, this is pretty and very, very bright. I love the shade, the shimmer, the pigment, the quality. It's chef's kiss. Like, this is so pretty and so good. This might get into my favorite highlighters. Like, it's outstanding. I love it. I don't have to say anything bad about it. Like, wowza. Okay, moving on into the star of the show, the one and only thing that Kylie is the most famous for. Oh, that's what I think, the least. I'm gonna try the infamous Kylie lipstick, and this is in the shade Candy K, the most wanted, the viral. Yes, it's here right now in my hands and I'm gonna try it. So, oh, this smells like Lindt chocolate. It smells so perfect. I just want to eat it. It smells absolutely fabulous. Okay, I love the shade, but it feels a little bit sticky and it dries out too quickly, so I'm not a fan of this texture. Let's do a little transfer proof test and see how it's like, because it promises to be there like 8 hours. Highly doubting that, but let's see. Okay, there's so much transfer, I kinda expected that. Yeah, it's alright. Bonus for the shade, but like for the texture and everything else, I think it's a no from me.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So now it's time to remove my makeup, and I'm very happy to say that my eyeliner didn't smudge at all. Like, I don't see there anything, and that happens very rarely. The highlighter is barely there, like it's not really visible, and my lipstick it's still just about, because I had a nice Chinese, but I don't expect to last after a nice takeaway. And now I'm gonna use this makeup melting cleanser, which is from Kylie Skin. I'm supposed to put this on my damp face and then just dab a little bit and rinse and see the results. So let's see. It smells very nice. Ooh, wow, very creamy. Interesting texture. Let's see how it works. So after like 5 minutes of rubbing into my face that thing and warm water, I still have so much foundation. Like, look at this. And my eyes are so red, I think I got an irritation even though I closed my eyes and all that. But I don't see my skin clean, like it looks horrendous. Yeah, I wouldn't use this again. Maybe it works for you, but you could see clearly that I don't know what kind of makeup remover is, but everything is still on my face. Like, I'm sorry Kylie, but from me this is a thumbs down. I wouldn't use this. Like, I don't know, maybe I did something wrong, but you just saw me rubbing it into my face and then I just tried to rinse with lukewarm water, and here we go. Like, the result is unbelievable. I liked everything what I've used from these products, not so many, but I feel like everything was very good except the lips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the huge thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Mwah.